Hello beautiful people, you're all welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I covered and decorated this beautiful wedding cake. So if this is a video you would like to watch, please make sure you watch this video till the end. If today is the first time of coming to my channel, you're welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to give your baby girl a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. I've already crumb coated the cake. I'm going to be dropping a link. Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm rolling out my fondant. I also have a fondant recipe I've shared before. I'm going to be listing the link of my fondant recipe in the description box. Please, if you have not watched that video, try and watch that video because the fondant recipe is tested and trusted. It is very elastic. So if you don't want to have a tear fondant, please make use of my fondant recipe. Make sure you watch the video. Is a 10 inches cake, so before you start covering, if you have a tape you can measure the top before covering the top, but this cake I'm working with now is a 10 inches cake. I'm going to be flipping it over. Hello friends, the story behind this wedding cake I'm doing is very long. I want to share the story with you guys. This cake order came in 3 days to the wedding. It was not planned. I never knew I would deliver this job, but God was so faithful to me. Everything went so easy for me. I was able to deliver this job. It was not easy. I was tired. At the time I was tired, very stressful, but I said I need to deliver this job. As this cake that you see me covering now, it took me just a day to cover the 3-tier cake. It was not easy, but in everything we give God glory. I love covering my cake with paneling method because it is so easy and fast. Especially if you want to achieve a sharp edge on your cake, use paneling method. I've shared different types of covering cake. I think I've shared blanket method, I've shared paneling method, but I prefer using paneling method because it is so easy and simple for me. If you want it to be so easy for you, make sure you measure the size of your cake and also the size of your fondant. If you don't have a tape, you need to get a tape. Measure the size of the cake, write it down. While you're rolling out your fondant, you also measure out the size of your fondant. If you can be able to get that same number, you will cover your cake perfectly without having issues or tears. Hi guys, I'm going to be flipping it over. Please, if you are flipping your cake, do it gently so that there won't be issue. As you can see, our cake is so clean. You can see the edges. It is very sharp. It is very sharp. You can walk around your cake after you flipped it over with your smoother. Smoothen it. If you have a rough part or you don't like how it is, just use your smoother and smooth it very well. So I'll go ahead to cover the second one. This is a 8 inches cake. I've already rolled my fondant, measured it just the way I did in the 10 inches cake. I still use the same paneling method, but I was not able to show you where I rolled the fondant. I don't want the video to be too long. That's why I did not video that place. Everything gently, just the same way we did in the 10 inches cake, and you will see your sharp edge looking at you, looking so beautiful and so sharp like razor blade. Here we are done with it. It is covered perfectly without issues. So here I have the 12 inches. This is a 12 inches dummy. This is a cake dummy. I've also shared the video of where and how I covered the dummy. I will also be putting in the link on the description box. So I'm trying to put on decoration on the dummy. This is a 3-step cake. The first one is size 12. It is a dummy. The second one is 10 inches. The third one is 8 inches. I have a video of this dummy. I'll be listing it in the description box. Please do well to watch it. So I'll go ahead to insert my dowel rod. After inserting my dowel rod, I'm going to mark it. That place I'm going to mark is where I'm going to cut off the excess dowel rod. I'm going to dowel it because the 8 inches is coming on top of this 10 inches. So I need to dowel it so that my cake will stand very well. So guys, you can see I'm almost done with doweling of the cake. I'm not going to be stacking the cake. I'm going to take it to the venue. When I get to the venue, I will then stack the 3 cakes together. The 12 inches is the dummy, 10 inches is cake, then 8 inches is cake. So I'll also be showing you where I stacked it in the venue. Keep watching this video. channel, do well to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell so that you will always be notified each time we post our new videos. So here we are already at the wedding venue. I'm trying to unveil the size 12 inches dummy. I'm also going to be stacking them together. So don't stop watching this video. Keep watching this video so that you see how I did everything. Here we are. This is the dummy. It's not a cake. You can see how beautiful it is looking. So I'm going to be making use of my glucose to stack the 10 inches and the 12 inches together. If you want to use a butter icing, you are free. You can use a royal icing, but I like working with my glucose because it makes the work so fast and easy for me. Don't forget to give me a nice comment and please share this video to your loved ones. This video will help you to deliver a wedding job. If you've not delivered a wedding job before, after watching this video from beginning to the end, you can be able to deliver a good job. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Give us a thumbs up, share our video, and we are also looking forward to see your comments. Shaking and dancing. I'm so happy here because I'm almost done with this job. This job was not easy, but to the glory of God who gave me the strength to carry on. Thank God for everything. I'm so happy. This job was done within 3 days from baking to decorating of this cake. Just 3 days. It was not easy. Here I am. I'm trying to finish up the little work that is remaining on the cake. Just few things to be done and the cake will be ready. So this is what I'm doing. I want to appreciate you all for watching this video till this point. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the share. Thank you for the comments. I will see you in my next video. So we've come to the end of this decorating class wedding job. Bye bye.